Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to reset or repair Microsoft Store app on Windows 11. Are you facing issues with the Microsoft Store app on Windows 11 like apps not downloading or constant crashes? Don't worry because I have got you fully covered. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to easily reset or repair the Microsoft Store app on your Windows device and get it working smoothly again. That said, let's get started. So first we have to press the Windows plus I keys at once to launch the settings app. Alternatively, you can click on the Start menu and then choose the Settings app. After that, select the Apps option in the left sidebar. Then you have to select the Installed Apps option. After that, you have to scroll down to find the Microsoft Store app. And once you have found the app, click on the triple dot menu right next to it and then choose the Advanced options. And then you have two options to choose from. Repair. Click on the Repair button to fix the app without deleting any data. This action will check for issues and attempt to resolve them automatically. Wait for the process to finish and then check if the problem is resolved. If repairing doesn't work, click on the Reset button. This action will reinstall the Microsoft Store app and erase its data, including any custom settings. Confirm the prompt to proceed, and once the reset is complete, the app will be restored to its default state. For advanced users, you can also reset the Microsoft Store app via the PowerShell. Open Windows Terminal with the administrator privilege and then run the following command. This clears the app cache and resolves minor issues. And once you have repaired or reset the Microsoft Store app, open it and check if the issues persists. If problems continue, consider updating Windows or running a system file check. And that's it. I hope this guide has helped you fix the Microsoft Store app on your Windows device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.